to Tech Xlovers, military technologies vehicles that are changing the way we fight. PL-01 concept. The PL-01 concept was a Polish light tank concept created by BAE Systems. Based on the Swedish CV90-120T light tank, the concept vehicle was first unveiled at the International Defense Industry Exhibition in Calais on 2nd September 2013. The PL-01 would have been equipped with a 940 horsepower, 700 kW with plus diesel engine coupled to a torque converter, automatic gearbox, and driving assistance mechanism. The suspension is based on 7 wheels with the drive shafts having active damping of horse and bars mounted on the first and last 2 pairs. The vehicle can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour, 43 mph on paved roads and 50 km per hour, 31 mph in rough terrain with a maximum range of 500 km, 110 mi. The PL-01 would have had a crew of 3, a driver, a commander, and a gunner. The driver would have been located in the front of the vehicle, the commander in the center, and the gunner in the rear. The vehicle would have been equipped with a remotely controlled turret armed with 120 mm smoothbore gun and a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun. The turret would have been protected by a modular armor system that could be upgraded to meet the specific threats. Patria Nemo container. The Patria Nemo container is a 120 mm mortar system that is integrated into a standard 20-foot container. It is a mobile and flexible system that can be transported and fired on various land, sea, and rail platforms. The container is also equipped with a fire control system that allows the mortar to be used for both indirect and direct fire missions. The Patria Nemo container is designed to be a modular system that can be customized to meet the specific needs of the user. The container can be equipped with different types of ammunition, including high explosive smoke and illumination rounds. The container can also be fitted with a variety of armor protection systems to increase the survivability of the crew. The Patria Nemo container is a versatile and capable mortar system that is well suited for a variety of missions. It is valuable for military forces that need a mobile and flexible fire support system. Arion-SMET UGV. The Arion-SMET is a 6x6 unmanned ground vehicle UGV developed by Hanwha Defense, a South Korean defense company. The vehicle is designed to support infantry operations such as ammunition transport, medical evacuation, reconnaissance, and fire support. The Arion-SMET is powered by an electric motor and has a maximum speed of 30 km per hour. It has a range of 100 km on a single charge. The vehicle is equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station that can be armed with a variety of weapons, including a machine gun, grenade launcher, or anti-tank missile. The Arion-SMET is also equipped with a variety of sensors, including a thermal camera, a radar, and a laser range finder. These sensors allow the vehicle to operate in all weather conditions and at night. The Arion-SMET is a modular vehicle that can be configured for a variety of missions. It can be equipped with different types of weapons and sensors, and it can be operated in a variety of modes, including remote control, autonomous, and manned unnamed teaming (MUNT). The EOTECH OGL is a compact and lightweight multifunction aiming laser that was first introduced in 2023. It is designed to be used with a variety of weapons, including rifles, shotguns, and handgun. The OGL features a visible green laser and an infrared laser that can be used in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also has a variable beam divergence control that allows the user to adjust the size of the beam from a tight spot to a wide float. The OGL is powered by a single CR123 lithium battery and has a runtime of up to 9 hours. It is made of durable aluminum and it is powered, waterproof, and fog-proof. The OGL is available in 2 models, a standard powered MTL/LE model and a civilian model. The MIL-LE model is designed for use by military and law enforcement personnel and has a higher output than the civilian model. Rheinmetall Fuchs evolution. The Rheinmetall Fuchs evolution is a further development of the popular Fuchs armed transport vehicles. It is designed to provide improved protection, mobility, and payload capacity. The Fuchs evolution is powered by a new diesel engine that delivers 455 horsepower, an increase of 50 horsepower over the previous model. This gives the vehicle a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, and a range of over 800 kilometers, 500 miles. The Fuchs evolution also features a new armor package that provides improved protection against a wider range of threats, including mines, improvised explosive device, and gunfire. The vehicle also has a new suspension system that improves ride comfort and handling. The Fuchs evolution can be configured for a variety of missions: troop transport, ambulance, command and control, and fire support. It can also be fitted with a variety of weapon systems, including a remote control turret armed with a machine gun or a cannon. IAI Point Blank. IAI Point Blank is a manned, portable, electro-optically guided hybrid missile developed by Israel Aerospace Industries (IAI). It is designed to be launched for a soldier's backup and can engage both stationary and moving targets. The Point Blank missile is about 3 feet long and weighed about 15 pounds. It has a range of up to 2 miles and can fly at speed up to 178 mph. The missile is guided by a combination of electro-optical and GPS system which allow to track and engage targets with high precision. The Point Blank missile is designed to be a force multiplier for small tactical teams. It can be used to engage targets that are beyond the reach of small armed fire or to attack targets that are hidden or moving. The missile is also relatively inexpensive, making it a cost-effective option for military forces. The Pilot Blank missile is currently being developed by IAI. It is expected to enter service with the Israel Defense Force in 2024. The missile has also been offered to other countries and it is expected to be a popular choice for military forces around the world. Elbit system LANIUS. The LANIUS is a small quadcopter drone that is about of the size of a pizza box. It's a range of up to 10 kilometers and can stay in the air for up to 60 minutes. The drone is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a thermal camera, a radar, and a laser rangefinder. It can also carry a variety of payloads, including a high explosive warhead or a non-lethal payload. The LANIUS is controlled by a handheld ground control unit (GCU). The GCU allows the operator to control the drone flight path, its sensors, and its payload. The LANIUS can also be operated autonomously using its onboard sensors and algorithms to identify and engage targets. The LANIUS is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable assist for military and security forces around the world. It is a versatile and capable system that can be used for a variety of missions, including target identification, surveillance, and attack. Nebo-UTE radar. The 55Z-AT6 UTE VHF radar is a Russian-made 3-dimensional radar system that is designed for air surveillance and tracking. It is capable of detecting and tracking air objects of different classes and types, including still air objects in automatic and semi-automatic modes. The Nebo-UTE radar is a solid-state radar that uses signal processing. It is capable of detecting air objects at range of up to 600 kilometers. The radar is also capable of measuring the range, azimuth, and altitude of air objects with high accuracy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.